Alright, guys, so in this video I'm going to be doing a Modalyst dropshipping review in 2024, guys, the pros and the cons, okay? So if you are considering using Modalyst for dropshipping, okay, let's dive into what the platform offers in 2024, the key pros and cons, and what kind of businesses might it suit best. Okay, Modalyst is well known for offering a wide selection of products, including, guys, independent brands, eco-friendly items, unique products from the US and Europe-based suppliers. Okay, this diverse product range helps store owners stand out, especially those who want to differentiate themselves from the crowd with trendy and high-quality products. Modalyst also integrates seamlessly, guys, with platforms like Shopify, Wix, and also BigCommerce allow for easy importing of products directly into your store, which is a huge time saver, guys. So if you're looking for an alternative to mainstream dropshipping platforms that tend to focus on, more generic China-sourced products, well, Modalyst catalog can actually be an ideal fit. One of the major pros of Modalyst is its focus on fast shipping options, okay? With US-based suppliers and the inclusion of brands that ship within 4 to 8 days, Modalyst can actually deliver a faster customer experience than many drop shipping services where, the delivery, guys, often takes weeks, literally weeks, okay? This speed is actually quite important for customer satisfaction as, fast shipping has become the expectation for many online shoppers. Another benefit is Modalyst's partnership with AliExpress, guys. They have a partnership with AliExpress specifically through their AliExpress Moda feature, which offers, carefully selected quality checked items from AliExpress vendors. This partnership actually, allows dropshippers to access millions of additional products, guys. Millions of additional products, but with the added assurance that these items have actually been vetted for quality. Okay, which helps mitigate risks associated with, the standard AliExpress sourcing. Also, guys, Modalyst also offers automated pricing, inventory updates, and branded invoicing on some of their higher plans, which help, build a more professional image, guys. Inventory updates are, especially important, helpful, in avoiding issues with product availability, as they automatically sync with the supplier stock. So for store owners, this can reduce the headache of accidentally selling out of stock items. You don't want to have that problem, guys. So there's also, I mentioned a branded invoicing, which is available with a pro plan. It lets the store owners add their brand name to invoices, which enhances the customer experience by providing, a cohesive brand image. Imagine you buy a product and then you get an invoice from a different logo compared to where they buy from. Probably gonna think it's a scam or something like that. So for businesses that want to look, they want to establish credibility and retain customers, branded invoicing can be a very valuable feature, guys. However, guys, everything has its downsides, okay? Modalyst also has its downsides. Now, pricing can be an issue for some users, especially for those just starting. Modalyst actually offers a free plan that limits you to 25 products, which is actually suitable if you are just testing the waters. But to scale, guys, you'll need to opt for a paid plan. Okay, you'll need to opt for a paid plan. The starter plan right now costs around $35 a month and allows up to 250 products, while the Pro plan, which includes unlimited, guys, unlimited products and branded invoicing, the cost around $90 a month. Okay. For smaller stores or dropshipping newcomers, these costs can add up quickly, especially if you're not seeing quick returns. Additionally, guys, while Modalyst emphasizes high quality suppliers, its product variety may not be as extensive. for niche categories compared to broader platforms like AliExpress, okay? Modalyst also faces some limitations in its geographic availability. While the platform excels in US and European suppliers, it might not be the best fit for businesses that are looking to serve, a global audience or target specific regions outside these areas. For store owners looking to build international customer bases, well, the options might feel somewhat restrictive. Okay, there's also the consideration that Modalyst offers faster shipping. It still may not be as fast or reliable as services from in-house fulfillment providers like Amazon. So for customers who prioritize ultra-fast shipping, well, Modalyst delivery times could still be a drawback. Otherwise, guys, overall, I would say Modalyst is actually a great option for those people looking for, unique, higher quality items and faster shipping from reliable suppliers in the US and Europe. Okay, guys, it's a bit niche, more niche than some other dropshipping platforms, which is, more beneficial for the brands that are looking to stand out in competitive markets with, more curated products. But for beginners, for those who are on a budget, the paid plans may be limited by us. But in the end, well, Modalyst is well suited for dropshippers, who want to prioritize quality over quantity, and those who are ready to invest in the platforms, more premium features to build a more trustworthy and professional looking store, guys. So it's literally that easy and simple. So if this video helps, guys,